Hindi nga kayo nakapagpahinga eh. Kami kanina pa eh.
Naka-live na naman si Tolitz.
Wala, video lang to.
Talaga pagbago yung Tolitz. Yung ano yung pangyaw.
Hindi ako magtatartar yan. Ha? Wait lang. Kuha tayo ng pangyaw-yaw. Dito ka muna Ma'am Kalit. Kuha ko ng pangyaw-yaw.
So, maganda na So, every year, nag-celebrate tayo ng tinatawag na year-end party and Thanksgiving party, di maalas yun. So, ito yung simbolo na kung saan kailangan nating maalala yung kapanganakan ng ating buong may kapal. So, ang ibig sabihin ng Christmas, from the word Christ and Mass, yung simbolo na kung saan every year sineselebrate yung kanyang kapanganakan hanggang sa kanyang kamatayan. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, celebrate natin yung kanyang sending joy, love, and God's merry blessings during the Christmas season. So, ang simbolo ng Christmas, a Christmas will always be as long as we stand heart to heart and hand to hand. So, good afternoon to each and everyone. Welcome to Year-End Thanksgiving Party 2025. Before we start our celebration, we start with the invocation prayer. First is the celebration for the programs. There is invocation followed by the national anthem and then 7:19.
Sa sarap, cheese at crunch. Sasarap ang...
We ask for your wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment of others. May the various activities related to this day be a success through your intervention. With gratitude, we offer this prayer in your name. Amen.
To be followed by 7:19.
Anytime you need us, we'll be at your side. Ready to serve whatever be the mission. Kaunay peace, our symbol and our guide. The 7th Infantry Division. So
The first part of the celebration program. Next is inspirational message. So, may I calling the attention of our Patrol Base Commander, Sergeant Bebiano Zamora Jr., OS Philippine Army for his inspirational message from 7th Infantry Battalion. Pwede po tayo mo.
Good afternoon sa ating lahat, Sir, Ma'am, and Master, Sergeant, mga kasama. Good afternoon. Bali,